When life knocks you on your ass, when it strips you down to nothing and laughs in your face, most people fold. They curl up like little pussies, cry about how unfair it is, and wait for somebody else to fix their shit. That's not a comeback. That's weakness dressed up as victimhood. Let me tell you something real. The comeback is personal. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's gonna drag your sorry ass off the ground. That's your job. And the second you realize that, the second you stop expecting sympathy, that's when you start becoming dangerous. That's when the fire inside you starts to burn hotter than the bullshit life throws at you. Like the damn video, comment what you're going to do starting today to change, and subscribe right now. The comeback isn't about proving people wrong. It's about proving yourself right. It's about looking in the mirror and facing the coward you let yourself become. Because let's be honest, the reason you fell isn't just because life's hard. It's because at some point you got weak, you got lazy, you got comfortable, you thought you could coast, and when life checked you, it exposed the fraud in you. That hurts, but that's also the opportunity. The comeback is personal because it demands that you own every weakness, every mistake, every lazy-ass decision that put you here. It demands that you look yourself in the eye and say, I fucking did this. Now I'm going to unfuck it. You can't outsource the grind. You can't hire somebody to suffer for you. You can't buy discipline on Amazon. You can't rent resilience for $9.99 a month. That shit is built in the trenches. It's built in the hours nobody sees. It's built when you wake up at 4 a.m. to run while everybody else is still drooling into their pillows. It's built when you turn down the bullshit, the party, the easy way out, and you decide to go to war with your own excuses every damn day. That's what personal means. Nobody can do it for you. When I was at my lowest, overweight, broken, and hiding from myself, the comeback wasn't about making people clap for me. I didn't give a damn if anybody noticed. It was about me versus me. It was about shutting up that weak voice in my head that told me I was done. It was about putting myself through hell until I earned the right to look in the mirror and respect the man staring back. And you need to do the same. If your life is in shambles, don't cry about it. Don't beg for pity. Lace up your shoes, hit the pavement, and start bleeding for your comeback. Because if it doesn't cost you something, it isn't real. You've got to get radical. That means no more excuses, no more half-ass workouts, no more, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow is for punks. If you want the comeback, you start today. Not after your mom calls you, not after Netflix drops a new show, not after you feel ready. Fuck ready. You're not supposed to feel ready. You're supposed to feel resistance. That resistance is the signal. That's the pain that tells you this is the path. When your lungs are burning, when your muscles are screaming, when your mind is telling you to quit, that's where the comeback lives. You got to go there willingly, and you got to stay there longer than the weak version of you ever thought possible. Stop telling yourself stories. I'll get it together next week. I just need a little motivation. That's pussy talk. Motivation won't save you. Motivation is temporary. You need obsession. You need to be so fucking locked in on your comeback that nothing can derail you. Your friends call you up to party? Nope. Your body tells you it's tired? Shut the fuck up. We're still going. Your mind starts whining about how it's too much? Good. That's when you push harder, because obsession eats weakness for breakfast. You want the comeback? You gotta outsuffer everyone. You gotta train when it's raining, when it's snowing, when your legs feel like cement. You gotta study when you're tired, work on your business when everyone else is scrolling on their phones. You gotta cut the fat out of your life. Lazy people, weak habits, comfort zones, slice that shit away like it's poison. because it is. Comfort is killing you. Let me tell you what personal looks like. It looks like locking yourself in silence every night and facing your demons. I sit in meditation for 2 hours every night, not because it's relaxing, but because it forces me to deal with the voices that want me to quit. That's how you harden your mind. That's how you build calluses on your brain. You can't run from yourself forever. At some point, you've got to sit still and hear how weak you sound. Then you got to shut that weakness the fuck up with action. The comeback is ugly. It's lonely. It's painful. Don't expect applause. Don't expect people to understand. They'll laugh. They'll doubt. They'll call you crazy. Good. Use it. Let it fuel you. But don't make the mistake of thinking this is about them. This is about you. It's personal. It's about the man or woman you become in the process. And if you do it right, you won't even care what they think. You'll be too damn busy living a life that speaks for itself. And let me remind you, this shit is hard by design. It's supposed to break you down. It's supposed to strip away the weak layers. It's supposed to test if you're serious. Anybody can talk about a comeback. Anybody can post motivational quotes and hashtags, but only a savage can actually live it. Only someone who refuses to be weak can drag themselves through the mud day after day and rise again stronger. So ask yourself right now, are you just talking or are you living it? The comeback is personal and it starts with a decision. Are you going to keep being the weak, lazy version of yourself? Or are you going to get up, take ownership, and become the savage you were meant to be? It's you versus you. No excuses, no shortcuts, no mercy. Listen up, because this is where the shit gets real. The comeback is personal. It's not for your mom, your dad, your coach, your boss, or your fucking Instagram followers. It's for you. That's the point most of you weak-ass punks miss. You try to prove everybody wrong, but you forget to prove yourself right. If you're not doing it for yourself, you'll quit the second it gets hard, and it will get hard. Life is built to break you. Life doesn't give a damn about your excuses, your feelings, or your pity party. Life is going to test you. And if you're still walking around like a pussy, waiting for someone to clap for you, you're already done. Like the video, comment what you are going to do starting today to change, and subscribe. Now let's get into the meat of this. A comeback is not a clean, pretty little story. It's ugly. It's lonely. It's you at 4 a.m. staring in the mirror, realizing you've been a lazy idiot for years and deciding that shit stops now. It's you dragging your ass out of bed when your body is screaming to stay down. It's you looking at your failures, your disappointments, your pain, and saying, hell yes, I'm still here and I'm not going anywhere. That's the essence of a comeback. It's brutal honesty with yourself. Most people don't want that. They'd rather play the victim. They'd rather hide behind bullshit reasons, but not you. Not if you really want to come back. You want to make your comeback personal? Start by cutting out the excuses. That's step one. Write them down. Every single excuse you've been living behind. I don't have time. I don't have money. I don't have the right support. Burn that shit. Literally. Burn it. Because those excuses have been your prison. And the only way you break free is by exposing them for what they are. Lies. Lies you've been feeding yourself to stay comfortable, to stay weak, to stay average. Fuck average. Step two, build a non-negotiable routine. And I don't mean some cute morning ritual with candles and soft music. I mean a goddamn battle plan. Wake up earlier than everyone else. Get your workout in. Do the hard shit first. Run when it's cold. Lift when you're tired. Read when your brain is fried. Meditate when your thoughts are loud as hell. You create discipline, not by waiting for motivation, but by doing what sucks over and over again until it becomes who you are. A comeback doesn't happen because you felt like it. It happens because you forced yourself to do what most people run from. Step 3, own your pain. Most of you numbnuts run from pain like it's the devil. You hide from it. You distract yourself with your phone, with Netflix, with porn, with alcohol, with whatever the hell keeps you from facing reality. That's weak. Pain is your teacher. Pain is the signal that you've been asleep. When you get cut, you don't cry about the blood. You clean the wound. You learn to fight smarter, and you get back in the game. And the same goes for life. The comeback is personal because pain is personal. Nobody can walk through your pain but you. Nobody can heal your scars but you. Step 4, visualize the outcome. I don't mean some fairy tale shit. I mean sit your ass down in silence like I do when I meditate for 2 hours at night and picture the man you want to be. Picture him clearly. The way he walks, talks, trains, works, lives, gets so detailed that it burns into your brain. Then every day, live as if you are already him. That's how comebacks are made, by seeing yourself win before you've even touched the battlefield. Step 5, execute. That's it. Execute every fucking day. You don't need 10,000 steps. You don't need a perfect blueprint. You need action, discipline, sweat, consistency. Everybody wants the magic formula, but the truth is simple. You either put in the work or you stay the same weak, lazy idiot you've always been. The comeback is personal, and it doesn't wait for you to get your shit together. It rewards the one who gets up and moves no matter what. And here's the final truth. Comebacks never end. Once you rise, you got to keep climbing. The moment you relax, the moment you pat yourself on the back, that's when life knocks you on your ass again. You got to stay hungry, stay humble, stay hard. You got to keep proving yourself right every damn day. That's the standard. If you're ready to stop bullshitting yourself, if you're ready to finally face the man in the mirror and demand more, then do it now. No more waiting, no more excuses, no more hiding. The comeback is personal. And it starts the second you decide to stop being soft. And if you want to take this deeper, if you want to understand the mindset, the grit, the exact path to turning pain into power, go get the book, Can't Hurt Me. Don't wait. It's on a flash sale right now in the description of this video. You keep saying you'll start tomorrow. Well, tomorrow is bullshit. This is your shot. Buy the damn book while it's still on sale, read it, and let it light the fire under your ass that you've been missing. The comeback is personal. Now get the fuck after it.